Hey bestie, if studying feels boring or stressful, I've got you. What if I told you studying could be cute, cozy, and actually fun? In today's video, I'm sharing 12 dreamy tips to make studying feel like a main character moment. Grab your drink, get cozy, and let's turn study time into something you actually look forward to. Trust me, you're going to want to watch till the end for all the cute and motivating tips I've saved for you. 1. Romanticize your study life. Studying doesn't have to be this dull, dreadful thing we all drag ourselves through. One of the best ways to make studying actually fun is to romanticize the entire process. Pretend you're the main character in a cozy, aesthetic movie. Put on your softest hoodie or cardigan, open your window just enough to let a light breeze in, and light a candle that smells like vanilla or lavender. Make your desk look dreamy by adding a warm lamp or fairy lights. Now sip your drink and start writing your notes slowly. When you make studying feel soft, calm, and peaceful, it becomes something to look forward to. It's not just work anymore, it's a whole vibe. 2. Create a signature study drink. Having a go-to drink can make studying feel like a ritual. It can be an iced latte, a glass of chilled matcha, or even fruit-infused water in your cutest mason jar. The goal is to make your drink feel a little extra. You can prepare it before every session to get yourself into that focused, productive mindset. Drinking it while working can even feel comforting. It's such a small detail. But trust me, it adds a cozy spark to your study routine. 3. Aesthetic study space setup. Your environment matters more than you think. A clean aesthetic space can motivate you to sit down and start. Start by decluttering your desk and wiping it clean. Add a cute lamp, maybe a small plant, fairy lights, or a pastel desk mat. Put a soft blanket on your chair and place your favorite plushie nearby for comfort. You want the whole space to feel peaceful and pretty. This turns your study corner into a cozy little world just for you. When your surroundings look good, your brain feels good too, and you're more likely to stay focused for longer. 4. Make your notes pretty. Pretty notes can actually make you excited to study. Try using pastel highlighters, different colored pens, and fun headers. You don't need to be an artist, just make your notes neat and soft-looking. Use bullet points, doodle a tiny flower here and there, or highlight key terms with cute colors. When your notes are visually appealing, your brain finds it easier to remember information. You can even share your notes on Pinterest or with friends to inspire others. Turning your notes into a little art project makes the whole study session feel more personal and creative. 5. Reward yourself after tasks. Break your study time into small chunks and give yourself a reward after each one. For example, after reading 2 pages or solving 5 problems, take a break and eat a sweet treat or scroll through your favorite social app for 5 minutes. This gives your brain something to look forward to. Rewards make the process feel lighter and more fun, and they help with motivation. These small treats keep you going when things get tough and make you feel proud of your progress. It's a simple way to stay consistent without burnout. 6. Watch study with me videos. Sometimes studying alone feels, well, too alone. That's where study with me videos come in. You can find tons on YouTube where someone sits and studies quietly with background ambience. Watching them makes you feel like someone else is studying with you, and you naturally start focusing more. It's kind of like having a study buddy without needing to talk. You can choose videos with cafe sounds and library vibes. It adds structure to your time and makes the whole experience less lonely and more productive. Give it a try during your next study session. It works like magic. 7. Try the Pomodoro method. This method is a classic for a reason. It really helps. The Pomodoro technique means studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. You repeat this 4 times, then take a longer break. It's simple, but gives your brain clear chunks of focus time. You can use cute apps or timers to make it more engaging. It feels like a challenge you want to complete. This technique prevents you from burning out and helps you stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. It's perfect for long study days when motivation feels low. 8. Use cute stationery. Never underestimate the power of adorable stationery. Get yourself a set of pens in different colors, soft sticky notes, floral or pastel notebooks, and cute paper clips. When your tools are pretty, you'll want to use them more. Organizing your study materials becomes something you enjoy instead of avoid. It's a fun way to express yourself and personalize your learning experience. You can match your pens to your subjects or decorate your planner with little stickers and drawings. Investing in good stationery makes you feel more serious about your goals in a fun and aesthetic way. 9. Change your study spot. Mix it up by moving to a new spot now and then. Study on the floor with a blanket and some pillows, or go outside if the weather is nice. Even sitting on the other side of the room can feel like a new experience. This change keeps your brain awake and interested. Each location gives a fresh feel to your routine, writing, making it less repetitive. When your surroundings change, and that helps you focus better. 10. Turn your to-do list into a vibe. To-do lists don't have to be plain and boring. Use digital templates or printable planners that look cute and motivational. Add hearts or stars beside each task, and use colors that make you happy. When your list looks pretty, it feels less intimidating and more like a fun challenge. Checking off each item gives you a mini confidence boost. You can also add inspirational quotes or soft reminders like, "You got this," or "Progress, not perfection." Make it as cute and cozy as your study corner. 11. Turn studying into a calming ritual. Doing the same steps before every study session creates a ritual that signals your brain it's time to focus. Maybe your ritual is as simple as lighting a candle, cleaning your space, and sipping your signature drink before opening your book. These small steps prepare you mentally and physically to study. When you repeat them daily, your brain starts connecting those actions with productivity. It feels less like a sudden switch and more like a soft transition into work mode. 12. Add a fun challenge. Finally, make studying a little playful by adding small challenges. For example, set a timer and try to finish a chapter before it rings. Or challenge yourself to complete your notes in your neatest handwriting. These little games turn study time into a friendly competition with yourself. You can even reward yourself at the end of each challenge. It doesn't have to be serious or strict, just something to spice up the routine. And that's it. 12 cute, cozy ways to make studying feel more like a vibe. If you try even one of these tips, I promise your next study session will feel more like a vibe and less like a chore. Try these out, and I promise your study sessions will never be the same. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite tip, and subscribe for more fun ways to glow up your study life and for more self-care and glow-up content. Happy studying, Angel!